Teotihuacan is an ancient Mesoamerican city located 50 kilometers northeast of modern-day Mexico City. The city, which was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987, was settled as early as 400 BC and became the most powerful and influential city in the region by 400 AD. By the time the Aztecs found the city in the 1400s and named it Teotihuacan, meaning the place where the gods were created, the city had been abandoned for centuries. Teotihuacan's origins, history, and culture largely remain a mystery. Teotihuacan is arranged in a grid layout that covers about 20 square kilometers. It contains around 2,000 single-story apartment compounds, as well as various pyramids, plazas, temples and palaces of nobles and priests. The main buildings of Teotihuacan are connected by the Avenue of the Dead. The Avenue of the Dead is a 40-meter wide, 2.4 km. The city contains several large, important structures: the Pyramid of the Moon, the Pyramid of the Sun, the Ciudadela, Citadel, and the Temple of Quetzalcoatl, the Feathered Serpent.